Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a helpful accessory for ice cream lovers, the Cuisinart ICE-30BCLID replacement ice cream maker lid. We discovered this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, if you own a Cuisinart ice cream maker, specifically the models ICE-30BC or ICE-30BCP1, you know how essential it is to have all the right parts functioning correctly. This replacement lid is designed specifically to fit those models, ensuring that you can keep creating delicious ice cream at home without any hassle. It's important to note that this lid will not fit other models, even if they appear similar, so be sure to double-check your unit. One of the standout features of this lid is its OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer, status. This means it's a genuine replacement part made by Cuisinart, assuring you of a perfect fit and reliable performance. When you're making ice cream, you want every component to work seamlessly together, and this lid guarantees that. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Cuisinart ICE-30BCLID is built to last. Its durable design not only protects your ice cream mixture from contaminants but also maintains optimal churning conditions. This is vital for achieving that creamy, smooth texture we all crave in homemade ice cream. When you have a secure lid, you can feel confident that your mixture is safe and that the churning process will remain uninterrupted. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves making ice cream at home, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this replacement lid is a must-have. It's ideal for families, dessert enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys experimenting with flavors and ingredients in their ice cream creations. Imagine hosting a summer barbecue and treating your guests to homemade ice cream. With the Cuisinart ICE-30BCLID, you can easily whip up your favorite flavors, from classic vanilla to adventurous combinations like lavender honey or spicy chocolate. The secure fit of the lid also means you can churn your ice cream without worrying about spills or messes, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying delicious treats with friends and family. In summary, the Cuisinart ICE-30BCLID replacement ice cream maker lid is an essential component for anyone who owns the compatible Cuisinart models. Its durable construction and OEM quality ensure that it will serve you well, helping you create delightful ice creams for years to come. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.